to make the leggings. Measure the doll. Sew the material. Cut the excess of the material. Now sew the material here. Cut the excess of the material. I like the color of my new leggings. You look very good with these leggings.